exactly traverses the circumference of that circle. A very deft maneuver. This demonstrates adequate control power, agility, and the extreme experience of the test pilot. Here they go and perform the extreme tail-up maneuver. Designing a helicopter for India's vast and varied terrain with its conflicting requirements is a daunting task. HAL lived up to this challenge, achieving it completely in-house in designing light utility helicopter. HAL therefore is capable of fully customizing this helicopter to any specific needs of any customer, civil or military, Indian or foreign. The light utility helicopter, after its operational clearance, has now entered the production phase. More than 1,000 of these helicopters are expected to be rolled out from the recently inaugurated Asia's largest helicopter factory in Tumkuru. The helicopter is now performing a few stall turns in front of us. Ladies and gentlemen, the LUH has completed its captivating display in front of us. The display today is more special as it happens to be the final display of HAL Chief Test Pilot Wing Commander Undi. He will be hanging his boots next month after a glorious career as a test pilot. Thank you very much, Wing Commander Undi, for your leadership. And ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm round of applause, wishing both the man and the machine good luck.